How to buy money printer token. See, this token came under the symbol of BRRR. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money in some crypto with this referral code. Simply as it goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 3 days ago. So as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's million investment in a safe place. This token also turns in number 7 into Solana section. To be able to buy this token, easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds to for that. So click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this our token, click on it. Now here's how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. There is only one. And now make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can go and buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy a money printer token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.